We spend a lot of time and effort in terms of tracking the analytics for our Pro subscription business. Just to give you an example, so the Pro business for SlideShare is a set of additional features, and if you want to use them, then you have to pay. So you have to take a SlideShare Pro account, and the number of users who use a SlideShare Pro subscription is relatively smaller compared to our overall audience. And so it is important to kind of model out, the cost of maintaining the platform and the revenues that you are generating from your Pro users. And we use concepts to understand things like what is the lifetime customer value, and what is the average recurring revenue that you are having from a particular user, and what is the churn rate, and you're measuring all these things. So a customer lifetime value is like over a lifetime of usage, how much revenue are you likely to generate from a particular user. And churn rate is that if people sign up for SlideShare Pro, then how likely are they to churn out given a certain period of time. And one of the ways to track this performance is what is known as cohort analysis. And cohort analysis is essentially saying that, okay, different people, different sets of users will start using the service or the product at different stages. So you try to break up your user segments into user segments based on the time when they joined the platform. So you'll say, okay, one set of users are people who joined SlideShare or who took up SlideShare Pro in 2011. The second set of users are people who joined in 2012, and the third set of users could be people who have joined in 2013. Now, once you've identified these set of users, what you do is that you try to study the behavior of each of these segments. You try to understand what is the customer lifetime value of each of these segments, what is the average recurring revenue, and the goal is to reduce the churn for each set of users. And because your overall business's profitability is going to be based on how well you can optimize each of these user segments. And the underlying hypothesis behind cohort analysis is that different users who joined the platform at different stages, the depth of usage of the product is different. Somebody who joined the platform yesterday will not have the same amount of depth compared to somebody who maybe joined in a year and a half ago. So you're just trying to bifurcate your users, understand the user behavior, and predict what they need, and then hopefully optimize the product or the offering or the pricing or something to suit each user segment.